Good morning, Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Week video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. Now, in today's trading video, we've actually had quite a lot of trades trigger in this week, and I want to show you these trades, how they were essentially provided in the analysis, the setups that occurred, and show you them actually the result of them on the live chart, so you get an understanding for how many pips are on the table this week. So to show you the number of winning trades this week, it was seven winning trades. So they were all short-term trades. We do have a couple of longer-term trades in play. We will make you aware of those once the result of those comes in. But in regards to the short-term side of things, it was very, very good. So I'm going to take you to the members area firstly. This is where we provide our analysis, we provide our trading opportunities, and in addition to the members area, we actually also provide our clients with one-to-one mentoring to take you through our trading program and algorithm. So this is our members area. So as you can see, the members area provides you with sort of in-depth analysis on each chart, as well as potential trade setups, and then in this section just here we provide sort of intraday daily trading levels each and every day for these different pairs. Then as we scroll a little bit further down, we then provide a good fundamental view on each important relevant event coming up for the week for each pair, and then we provide an in-depth view for each currency pair to give you a good understanding of what you should be looking at for the week. So it's a fantastic resource to have, where you can simply come to this page each and every day and get a great understanding of where the market's looking to go. Now, I'm going to focus primarily on the intraday levels for this video because we've had 7 trigger in, like I said. So we can see here that we provide different levels every single day per currency pair that we provide analysis for. What we then do with these levels is we have an algorithm here which predicts intraday movements in price, and it marks these predictions with buy and sell zones. Okay? So if you want to make life easier for you, you could call them intraday support and resistance levels, and the algorithm calls them buy and sell zones. Now what we do with these buy and sell zones is we label the zones that we're interested in trading, and on my particular chart it's labelled major cap. Okay? On other clients' charts it will be labelled important trading zone if you're a client with us. Okay? That's just because you've got a slightly more updated algorithm. So in regards to the labelling of the zones, it will either be called major cap or important zone, but the label is the same nonetheless. So I'm going to show you all the zones that triggered in and the result of them. So I'm going to start you off with the euro. So with a trade trigger in on Monday, you can see here major cap buy zone. Now you might be wondering, why do we label them? We label the ones that we feel have the highest probability of reversing for that day. Not necessarily the highest probability of triggering, but the highest probability of reversing. So whether it triggers or not is irrelevant. Okay, we're just looking for good areas to trade. If it triggers in, great. If it doesn't, no problem. But you can see this week it's averaged out that it's more than a trade a day that's triggered from using this process. So the trades come into the major cap buy zone. It's reversed well in excess of 30 pips from there. Normally the profit that we're going to be looking for is around 20 to 25 pips or so, and the stop loss is around 20 pips from the end of the zone here, so usually around the same 20 to 25 pips. So that's a good trade, a minimum of 20 pips produced on that trade. Happy with that. Next one that we had was the dollar yen. We had 2 trades trigger in here, both successful trades again. So you can see how it comes into this sell zone here. We always trade the zone or price. That's one important thing to remember. Always trade the zone or price. So you see it comes into the zone. 20 pip stop loss is safe, just about. And you can see in the end it goes and reverses in excess of 20 pips. Okay. So again, another successful trade there. Same again for the dollar yen the next day on the buy zone. With a 20 pip stop, you were more than safe from the end of the zone. And you can see in the end it goes on and easily reverses in excess of 20 pips again. So we've got plus 20, plus 20, plus 20, we're already at plus 60 here. Then we had 2 trigger in on the NZD, one on Monday. Major cap buy zone, again, easily reverses in excess of 20 pips coming on through just there. And last but not least, we had one yesterday, which was a sell zone coming on through just on here. So we're talking a lot of pips produced here. It's a lot of pips, plus 20, plus 20, plus 20, plus 20. You can see how it starts to add up. It really does start to add up very, very quickly. And we're up over 100 pips in a week just on short-term trades, and we've still got some longer-term trades to come in actually, which aren't doing too badly at all. Okay. So in regards to these short-term positions, they are fantastic positions to look to take. Okay. We then had, I believe, on the Aussie, we had one on Monday. Now this one on Monday, I think probably would have been closed out for just a small profit, because we had a news event coming that evening, so we don't leave short-term trades through the night if there's any news events occurring in the evening. So that one probably would have been stopped for break even. But this one here we did have trigger in, and this was on the Tuesday, and that hit the major cap, and in the end it got a nice reversal of 20 pips. So we're talking well in excess of 100 pips produced there from these intraday trades. Now if you want to have some of this action and you're interested in how it works, we're actually providing completely free access to our algorithm and system on a consultation call. All you've got to do is go to the platinumtradingacademy.com website, pop your details on the home page, name, email, phone number, and simply click book consultation. What will happen is one of our account managers and traders will get in touch with you. They'll brief you on what we do. It won't take more than 10-15 minutes. And if you like everything you hear, we'll book you in for a full hour-long consultation where we share our screen with you and take you through the algorithm, take you through the system, and see if it's going to be something that you'd enjoy. So I just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. I know it's a little bit a longer one than usual, but that's because we had so many trades. And I wish you a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll speak to you next week. Thank you.